Hi, I'm Megan, and I just completed Jason's amazing course in NLP, and I must say he is the most experiential instructor I've ever had. So if you are somebody that wants to stay in your seat and just learn from books and never have a change in venue or rooms or landscape, or just stay stuck in one place and, fall asleep in your chair listening to somebody lecture, then definitely don't take this class, because you're going to be constantly getting up from the moment you walk in the door. You have a brief start, and then you're already doing hands-on learning. And for those of us that do hands-on learning, this is such a key part of his course. And so I'm very thankful for that. And also, this learning NLP is so powerful because you can use it in your everyday speech, from checkout lines in the grocery store to your work, to your children, to your family. Everything's in powerful modes. Everything's ethical influence here, and that's very important. Okay, so thanks to Jason, we all feel empowered and ultra persuasive.